Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've touched on the basics, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We'll discuss the costs, service quality, and other factors you should consider when deciding between a dealership and an independent shop for your truck repairs. Let's dive in. Pros of independent repair shops. One of the key advantages of independent repair shops is cost. Typically, they have lower labor rates than dealer repair shops, and they may also be able to provide more affordable parts. Independent shops don't always use OEM parts, but they may offer aftermarket options that are less expensive, while still being high quality. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially when the repair involves replacing multiple components. Independent repair shops also offer greater flexibility. Whether you need to schedule a repair outside of normal business hours, get a last-minute appointment, or need a quick turnaround, independent shops are often more willing to accommodate your needs. They may also offer discounts for repeat customers or bulk repairs, further reducing the overall cost of service. One of the strongest selling points of independent shops is the personalized attention you receive. As smaller businesses, they tend to have a more intimate customer service experience. Technicians are often the owners or closely involved in the operations, which can result in more open communication and a higher level of transparency. You can ask questions directly to the technician, who will typically be more invested in your satisfaction. Additionally, independent shops can offer a more relaxed atmosphere. If you have a specific repair need or a question about the repair process, independent shops tend to be more approachable. Technicians are often happy to discuss the repair in detail, which helps build trust. Cons of independent repair shops. On the flip side, independent repair shops can come with some risks. The quality of work can vary significantly from shop to shop, so it's important to do your research. While some independent shops employ highly skilled technicians, others may not have the same level of expertise, which could lead to subpar repairs or even safety risks. Independent shops may also use aftermarket or generic parts instead of OEM parts. While aftermarket parts can be a cost-effective solution, they don't always meet the same specifications as OEM parts. This could result in reduced performance or premature wear. Additionally, there is a risk of receiving counterfeit parts, which can be dangerous and compromise the safety of your vehicle. If your truck is under warranty, an independent repair shop may not be able to honor that warranty, depending on the circumstances. While some independent shops have relationships with manufacturers, others may not, leaving you responsible for the repair costs if you choose not to go to an authorized dealer. Some warranties specifically require the use of authorized service centers, so it's important to check the terms before making a decision. Lastly, independent shops don't always have the latest technology or diagnostic equipment. While many independent shops invest in state-of-the-art tools, others may not have access to the same resources as dealer shops, especially when it comes to newer truck models or complex repairs. Key factors to consider when choosing a truck repair shop. Choosing between a dealer and an independent repair shop comes down to a variety of factors. Let's break them down: reputation and reviews. Before deciding on a repair shop, it's essential to evaluate its reputation. A shop's reputation speaks volumes about the quality of service and the satisfaction of its customers. Start by checking online reviews, asking for referrals from friends, family, or colleagues, and researching ratings on platforms like Yelp, Google, and Facebook. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews. If you see multiple complaints about a specific issue, such as poor communication or high costs, it's a red flag. Conversely, consistent praise for excellent service, honesty, and fair pricing is a good sign that the shop is trustworthy. Expertise and specialization. Not all repair shops have the same level of expertise. If you own a specialized or heavy-duty truck, it's crucial to find a repair shop with experience in that type of vehicle. A shop that specializes in your truck's make and model will better understand its intricacies, resulting in faster and more efficient repairs. Ask about the shop's training, certifications, and whether they have experience working on trucks similar to yours. When it comes to diagnosing issues with advanced or modern vehicles, specialized knowledge is key. Cost and pricing. Cost is always a key consideration when choosing a repair shop. While dealer repair shops typically charge more, independent shops can offer competitive rates, and the cost of parts and labor may be lower. However, make sure to compare the full cost, including parts, labor, and any additional fees, to get a clear picture of what you'll be paying. Ask for a detailed estimate and avoid any surprise charges later on. Making an informed decision. Ultimately, the decision between a dealer and an independent repair shop will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for guaranteed quality, use of OEM parts, and a formal experience, a dealer repair shop is your best bet. On the other hand, if you're looking for personalized attention, flexibility, and more affordable pricing, an independent shop might be the right choice. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.